and hello to you that's watching this video. This is my 5th video. I actually made this video the same day I made the video about my kitchen, but afterwards I saw, oh, there's some stuff I forgot to show you in my kitchen that I actually still wanted to show. And so I just thought, okay, go make a quick video quickly and show you there. And then I'm going to somehow include the bathroom. I'm going to show you the bathroom as well. So this is my little kettle of my gas stove kettle. I made this little cup of a perfume spray bottle that I just painted silver. And there's my little kettle for my rooibos tea. And then I made this little wooden mug rack to where you can hang your mugs. I made this little mugs just out of a paper straw that I just Q-tex it green. I'm gonna still need another coat or 3 just to make it nicer, but yeah, I made this. And then the actual thing I wanted to show you was my little cupboard for my dustbin. There's my dustbin. It's I saw a little pill holder, pill bottle that I tablet bottle that I sprayed silver, and there's my little dustbin. So yeah, there is the stuff I forgot to show you in the kitchen. So let's go over to the bathroom. So the bathroom here, actually I'm going to make the bathroom from scratch. I'm gonna make the whole bathroom over, just because I made the booby here. This countertop was supposed to it's too short, was supposed to go over this. It was supposed to go underneath, so I don't like the seam here, and even the basin, I don't like the corners there in the basin where you can see the sticky tape where it's cut. So I'm rather going to put the basin on top or not inside. So, but yeah, I'm going to make, just because of that, I decided I don't like this bathroom, I'm going to make it over. This is actually the guest bathroom that's on the main floor. So you don't really need a bath. You've got a bath and a shower inside here. So I'm going to take out the bath and just put a shower in there. I know I can only put a toilet and a basin, but because I'm going to build a swimming pool, you're going to be a swimming pool next door. So yeah, I'm going to put a shower there if you want to rinse off after you had a swim. So there's going to be a shower in here, and then not a bath. So this is this is a little art I made. I'm wanted to put up against the wall here for the bathroom, little pictures I printed for bathroom. But I'm not going to put it up yet because like I said, I'm going to change the bathroom. So yeah, and this is my toilet. I'm definitely going to use this toilet again. Actually really nice. You can open, you can actually use the toilet. Well, okay, not you, but yeah, Barbie can use the toilet. It's actually, it's open and close, and this is actually from a little compact like a powder hair dye stuff you put in your hair, like this here. And I saw this at our local Chinese shop, and it's got that's 4 colors: the purple, the green, pink and blue. So I saw, well, there was 4 in a box, and I'm gonna have 4 toilets in my home, so it will be enough. So it will work perfect. And this actually just come out, and there is the ring for the toilet. And so yeah, there is Barbie's little toilet. Just can paint into whatever. So this is how I made a toilet. And then the like the toilet roll holder, like, okay, I don't know about you, but I believe toilet paper must be over, not under. Okay, well, that's just me. Some people I know it's like me. So this little paper, I just used a little gorilla clip for that. We call it the gorilla clip, yeah, to make that actually for this year. I also used that to make the towel railings for that, and this is also like delf stick, or I think maybe a toothpick that I also cut. Oh, and I want to show you something with this. I cut it with this little doggy toenail clipper that I used to cut my dog's nails, but they really do not like it when I cut their toenails. But it works nicely for like this little delf sticks here on the chairs. I cut it with that, and like I said, toothpicks and anything that's round, even the popsicle sticks I cut with this. And yeah, like I said, I have to take my dogs to the doggy parlor because they do not like it when I cut toenails, but now I use it as a tool in my doll room. Speaking of which, they're lying here again with mommy, my two little shadows. Actually, I think I'm going to show you my other children, pet children in my family quickly. Okay, this is a little pooch. She's also a rescue cat. My son rescued her out of a gutter, but she's still a bit, well, she always a bit feral because she was a little wild cat when he catch her, when he rescued her. And she was so small we actually had to bottle feed her, but the feral didn't go out. And now, because with my new black edition, my black cat Kush, she's a real bully. So now she became a little bit more feral, see, because she and Kush is not friends. And like I said, Kush is a real bully, but I don't know how you get that out of a cat. So yeah, and but yeah, we still definitely do love her, and she's always here around. And like today it's raining, so everyone is inside the house. They don't like it outside when it's raining. So I'm quickly going to show you the old girl. Well, this here is little Mischief. Ah, Mischief. This is my old lady. She is very old. She also had, a few years ago, she had babies. She had some 10 baby kittens. And I had to help her to raise them because she couldn't help them all. But yeah, she's very old. Where's your little face? I want to see your face. And Chloe's always here, like I see my shadows. They're here. And she always wants to play with everyone. And this little old lady doesn't like it when you play with her because she's so old now. There's little Mischief's face. Hello, say hello. But yeah, she's very old. She's got a little bit back problems. Her back legs don't want to work so good anymore, so she can't really jump anymore. But she's just sleeping and laying around the whole day. And yeah, but she's not in pain, so I'm going to keep her as long as I can because she was the first edition of my pet family and she's now the oldest. And yeah, see, my shadows is with me. So yeah, that's my pet family. And yeah, there is my little bully. You see, she's watching. Okay, back to the house. That was just a quick distraction. Like I said, I get distracted very easily, but yeah, I'm back. So carry on the bathroom. This is like the mirror I'm going to put on the wall. It was actually also from an old picture frame that already had this beads around it. So I just took another compact makeup mirror and just put it inside. I had a little circle thing around it because I put, actually there's the light still, I put a light inside because I wanted the light to shine through here. But it was too heavy, it kept on falling down. But anyway, I'm going to change it anyway. I'm just going to put that flat against the wall there, or wherever I'm going to put this cupboard. And then this little thing here is, I put it here because maybe I can use it. I put it there for Justin. You know, I believe in Justin. Just in case, Justin. So he's always with me. So maybe I can use it here. It's actually, my niece gave this to me. It's like this little wooden puzzle furniture you built. When she said I'm busy building a dollhouse, she gave this to me. It's actually not to scale for the Barbie. It's, I think, 1:12 scale. This was actually a little closet. But now I'm going to use it inside here for a cupboard, or I don't know yet. Maybe I'm going to use it, maybe not. Same with this thing here, just because of the color. So I like the color. So yeah, maybe it's going to fit in here. I'm going to use this maybe in here. That's why it's here. Okay, then here is oh, there's a little light I made. I like this light. It's actually a replica of a light in my house. This was a little glass piece of a plastic piece that's half circle that was in a compact makeup holder. And I just painted with frost paint, and there's a little light, the same as I've got in my house. I like this light, so this is definitely a keeper. And then there's a door here. So this door is actually going to the side here. It's going to be additional room on the side here. This is going to be my well, we call it a lapa, like a patio, but here in South Africa we call it a lapa. So there's going to be a lapa there here, with a swimming pool and a braai area, like, well, a barbecue area, braai area, we call it a braai. And definitely then, okay, there must be a bar, because in South Africa, you cannot have a lapa without a bar. If you have a lapa, you must have a bar. So there's going to be a bar in my lapa. So yeah, I'm going to have a bar, and then in the corner, I'm going to put like a little TV room, lounging area, where you can watch your sport channel, Rappi or whatever. So this is going to be additional room here, and then on the top of that is going to be my teenagers room. So actually, when I started to wanted to build this house, the first thing I thought was about the teenagers room, because I said, oh, I'm gonna make her room purple, because purple is my favorite color of all the colors. And but that, I think that's the room I'm going to build last, because I obviously have to build the lapa first, and then the room. Oh, I will see. But yeah, so on this side here is going to be the lapa side. So yeah, this is all for today now. Do not quit. Someone is praying for you, and you will make it. Until next time, bye.